So I was able to secure a $3 profit, which is like 30% of that account. So guys, just do the mathematics. So one thing about trading too is that it is not about the capital you're trading with, it is about percentage. So just view it as, what's up guys, about Hussein. So guys, there's been something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, which is like trying to trade a $10 account to $100 and go further from there. I just want to use this means to just prove to myself and prove to people that you can actually grow a $10 account if it is possible. I've been seeing a lot of videos online, like trading a $10 account to $100, flipping it and all that. I want to grow this account, which is using proper risk management and using my A+ setup to trade this concept. So guys, I funded $11 plus on my account, on my Cent account. So for this purpose, I'll be using a Cent account, which is trying to reduce the number of risk I'll be trading. It's a Cent account, so I won't be risking like $3, $4 on that kind of account. There's a higher chance of me risking that amount, the account will get blown easily. So I just prefer using a Cent account, which is reducing the numbers of percentage of risk I'll be taking, which is I'll be taking about 1% of the account every single day. Every single setup I'll be using just 1% of the account, which is like $1.50 or $1. The maximum is $1.50. So guys, and for this purpose, the broker I'll be using is Hbfx, which I'll be leaving the link below in the description. They have the best spread you can think of in the forex industry. Hbfx is one of the best broker you can think of. So I'll be leaving the link in the description and the link in the comment section. So guys, today is Sunday, and we have a week ahead of us. So any trade I'll be taking, I'll be adding it up. So let's see how it's gonna be during the weekend. So I'll be doing the full breakdown during the weekend. So I would love you guys to just please watch this video to the end and stay tuned guys.
The trade stopped me out with break even and I am in another entry. So I saw my A+ setup on JPUSD, so I took a re-entry and I am going very, very hard. So I stack in a lot of positions. So let's see how it's gonna go guys. I stack in a lot of position. I'm in drawdown currently now, but let's see how it's gonna go guys.
So guys, about the trade I took yesterday, today is Wednesday. The trade went beautifully. So this is the before of the trade and this is the after of the trade, which was really, 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 really great. So why I scaled in a lot of position on the trade is that I saw my A+ setup, and whenever I'm seeing that setup I traded yesterday, I said it before, I'll be trading only my A+ setup, not taking any premature entry, only A+ setup. And it is just crazy how the trade went, because I was scaling into the trade. I wasn't worried about what is gonna happen. Either if I had lost that trade yesterday guys, I wouldn't even budge, because I will have it at the back of my mind that this setup is my setup, is what I have used in the past, and it has worked for me crazily. It has worked for me beautifully, and I would just be happy that at least I traded it regardless of what happened, and it went well. And the trade was supposed to give me about $6 to $7 if I'm not mistaken, but I ended up with about $3 because I was holding some position to my take profit, but the trade only did 1:1. That is what you being greedy comes in trading. When it comes to trading, you don't have to be greedy. If the market gives, the market can also take. So I am seeing a reasonable profit, a 1:1 reasonable profit around that 6 p.m. yesterday time. I'm seeing a reasonable profit with about $4. So I have to scale out about $3 and leave the rest to just run to my take profit, because it was already late. There is a little to no volume in the market again. So why will I be holding my highest position to take profit when time has already passed? And one thing about trading is that let's look the account from a view of if I was trading like a $1,000 account. So I was able to secure a $3 profit, which is like 30% of that account. So guys, just do the mathematics. So one thing about trading too is that it is not about the capital you're trading with, it is about the percentage. So just view it as, if I was trading $1,000 account, I will be making $300 easily today. If I was trading a 100K account, I'll be making $30,000. That is 30% of my initial account, guys. Even some people don't make 30% profit in their whole business in a year, and you are able to make 30% in just one single trade. This is interesting, honestly. And one thing about trading is that I'm not sure I'll be trading today, because one thing about trading is that sometimes we get too confident and we lose focus, thinking that you winning yesterday, you can also win today. One thing about trading is that if you win or you lose, you just have to go back and sit down, and either you dwell in your loss and just reminisce about your loss, or you enjoy your profits. This trade I made, I'm gonna withdraw it. I'm gonna show you after this video. I'm gonna be showing you the withdrawal process. I'm gonna make a withdrawal of $3 into my account. No matter how small it is, I'm gonna withdraw it. I wouldn't be trading this account anymore. I'll be doing other trades. I'll be taking other trades on my other account, but this particular account, I'm not trading anymore, because if I take another trade on this account, there's a high chance I'm gonna lose, because I will be in a state of, like, when you win, you'll be like you are invincible and nothing else can happen. Man, don't have that mindset. When you win in trading, just either you withdraw your profit and spend it on yourself, or you take a loss, you sit down and know what went wrong and know how to fix it when next you are coming. But if you use that same energy, either you are winning or you're losing, if you use that same energy to come back to the market, you still end up losing, regardless of if you won the last time or you lose. Trading is a very tricky, it deals with the mind, and if you don't really set yourself up well, you just end up losing at the end of the day. So from my view of things, I think this might be, because if I'm gonna take any trade, it will be like the lowest position that wouldn't really, if I lost it or win, it wouldn't really affect me in any way. So I think this would be the biggest trade I'll take on this account this week. So if I'm gonna take, maybe I'm gonna take another trade, but it will be of the lowest risk, the lowest risk I could think of. I wouldn't be taking unreasonable risk again, because it is you making 30% on account. It is like more than enough of what you need. Just the best thing is you just look for a way to scale up in capital, and even you make 1%, you'll still be good. So guys, I hope you guys learned something from this video. I hope you guys learned something. Maybe I'll be doing a full breakdown. Comment below if you want me to do a full breakdown of this my A+ setups. And I created a course specifically for this concept, which if you would love to get the course, send me a DM on WhatsApp. I'll send you the requirement for the course, and I'll send it. When you meet those requirements, I'll send the course across to you. So I think I'll be signing out for now. I'm signing out, and let's see how it's gonna go. If you see another video apart from this one, if you see another attached video apart from this one, that means maybe something still happened on the account. But if you don't, I think that'll be all for the week, guys. That'll be all for the week. And, guys, today is Friday, the last day of the week. So I took a trade yesterday, which was on Thursday. So as I said before, I might be taking another entry on a trade. So I took a low risk trade yesterday, which ended me with a loss of about $1 plus. So guys, and firstly, let me show you, this is how the trade was. This is when I entered. The trade was running well. I think the trade run me about $1, but my take profit was about $4 plus. I can't just scale out of the trade, so the trade had to reverse back to my entry, and I just scaled out of the trade with just $1, because I think the market is trending to the downside and I am in it on a buy, so I wouldn't want to be trading against the trend. That's one thing about trading. You know when to exit, you know when to enter. When you see that this thing is not working, you take your losses like that and move on, and just figure out what went wrong and just do better next time, not holding on to unnecessary losses and just trying to do some crazy things. So long story short, guys, and I have another plan on this account, which is doing like swing trading, because I like that with this account I have more leverage, in the sense of it's a cent account, guys, and I would advise everyone to get a cent account if you really want to grow a small account. Just fund it on a cent account. I'll be leaving a link to the broker I use in the description. Make sure you go check it out. So just make sure you get a cent account. It is really important, because with cent account you'll be getting more leverage and you'll be getting more capital. Like I funded a $10, which will be reflecting as like a $1,100 in my cent account, which is reasonable. So you can have a more bigger stop loss to allow market to really train into your stop loss, and have a higher take profit. It is just like you are doing swing trading. So the plans I have for this account is to take longer trades, which is hold trades for more longer period, because I have a reasonable capital in this account, which is $10, which is approximately to about $1,100. So I have more capital. So if I'm taking a lower risk, I can hold trade comfortable for longer days and even weeks. So there will be no point in trying to trade every day and trying to look. Although I'll do daily trading, like normal day trading, and look for reasonable sales that I can get profits from. But for long term, I might be swing trading on this account, because guys, the goal is to get this account to $100, and I am gonna do it. The goal is to get this account to $100, shown on the description, shown on the thumbnail, and I am gonna do this. This account will get to $100. I promise myself that, and I will do whatever it takes, you following the right structure to get to that $100. So I think this will be the end. So for the week, I ended up with a profit of about 20%, which is about $2 plus. So the losses I took was from the profit I made. So I only took about $1 plus loss, and I am still left with about $2 plus, which is a profitable week. So I will be entering some little position today, which I'll be holding for weeks. So I'll just be opening some little position so I can hold the trade for more days. So next week I'll be coming back with the same energy, with the same concept. So this week was great. I was able to at least secure about $2 plus profit on this account, which is about 20%, which is reasonable, guys. So I think that will be all for now, guys. I think I'll be seeing you guys next week, and thanks for watching. If you were able to watch this video to this extent, thanks for watching. Share this video to anybody that can benefit one or two from this video, and subscribe, like, and stay blessed, and see you in the next one. Stay safe, guys.